Today we are talking about using alarms on your phone, not actual calendars on your phone, to stay organized. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now, I don't know about you, but when I look at digital calendars on a phone or on a computer, it really gives me the heebie-jeebies. And that's basically why I use paper planner. That and the fact that I actually really love playing with paper and paper crafting, so the two of them go together really well. That said, this little device that's probably in your pocket all the time is a fantastic modern tool to help keep you organized. What I'm suggesting is to use the clock app and the alarms in there to help keep you organized so that you don't forget things, so that you know when you have a meeting or when you need to change tasks. I have so many alarms on my phone, it drives my husband crazy, but he's not here during the day, so it's fine. I have an alarm that goes off when it's time for us to leave for the school bus, and that is a signal to my kids and myself that we need to be out the door. Because sometimes, you know, when they're brushing their teeth and taking forever, it's just to make sure that we don't miss it. And it works every day, and they know when it rings, it's time to leave. In the same vein, I have one that goes off when I need to leave to go to the bus stop to pick them up as well. You know what it's like? You're just so involved, you're so into the flow of something that you lose all track of time, and yeah, I don't want to forget about my kids at the bus. So if I'm lost in my planners and having fun organizing and playing with paper, then I have my alarm to make sure that I don't miss the bus. Also, when I need to pick up my children from other things, especially in September at the beginning of the year when those habits aren't really established yet. If it's different from the year before, I won't know instinctively what time I need to go to pick them up. So it's good to have an alarm to remind me for that. Also, if I have a meeting or an appointment, I will set an alarm for 10-15 minutes beforehand so that I'm ready when the time comes. It works basically the same as the notifications from your digital calendar, but if digital calendars don't work for you, you can use your paper planner and use your alarms as the notifications. Some other ways that I've used alarms are to remind me of things that I need to do later. Let's say I'm out doing errands or I'm away from the task that I need to do and I remember that I need to do it. Let's say I'm out at the grocery store and I remember that my son needs to take a new binder to school the next day, but I had forgotten about it. So what I can do is go into my phone, set an alarm for sometime once I'm home with the label binder in school bag or whatever, so that I will remember to do that task. Since it was just St. Valentine's, I had been putting hearts on my kids' doors with little messages every day from February 1st till St. Valentine's Day, sticking them up with washi tape. I think this is the third or fourth year that I've done this, but in other years I would just sort of forget until it was too late, or I'd have to do two the next day. So what I did was put an alarm on my phone for a time that they were all at school, so when they came home they would find their hearts. I never forgot. In the past, I've also used these for routines that I was starting to set. If I wanted to start doing something at a certain time every day, I would set an alarm, or even just a certain time each week, I would set an alarm for that day. You can repeat alarms, of course, or just have them ring the one time. If you have any other ideas on how you can use alarms on your phone to keep you organized, leave them in the comments below so that other people can use them as well. Let me know whether or not you already have alarms set on your phone, and if you do, what is the next alarm that's set to go off. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. Wednesday is planner hacks to keep your planner looking pretty, and next Sunday we're talking about why you decorate and basically what you can tell people when they say, why are you bothering to do this to your planner, right? I'm sure you've had someone ask that, so I've got the answers for you. Yeah, so make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss those videos. You can click here on my little face to subscribe. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.